Across the planet, ecosystems are collapsing. Forests are being cleared. Oceans are filling with plastic. Rivers are poisoned with chemicals. And caught in the middle of it all are the animals. Today, we're looking at species pushed to the edge of extinction, not by natural disasters, not by evolution, but by pollution and the destruction of their homes. The vaquita, the rarest marine mammal on Earth. The vaquita lives in only one place on Earth, the northern Gulf of California in Mexico. Fewer than 10 are believed to remain. Their biggest threat isn't hunting for food, it's illegal fishing nets, meant for another species. These gill nets, used to catch totoba fish, entangle vaquitas, drowning them silently beneath the surface. Factories, power plants, and urban centers along the Yangtze have discharged chemical waste, heavy metals, and untreated sewage into the river system. Pollutants such as mercury, ammonia, nitrogen, and phosphorus accumulate in the water, lowering oxygen levels and creating dead zones where aquatic life struggles to survive. For thousands of years, the Yangtze has both sustained and threatened the people and wildlife along its banks. Seasonal flooding is natural for river ecosystems. It deposits nutrients, replenishes wetlands, and supports biodiversity. But today, floods along the Yangtze are becoming more extreme and destructive. Hawksbill sea turtles have existed for over 100 million years, but today they face a rapidly changing ocean. Coral reefs, their feeding and nesting grounds, are dying due to warming seas, plastic pollution, and coastal development. Coral reefs, their feeding and nesting grounds, are dying due to warming seas, plastic pollution, and coastal development. When reefs bleach and collapse, the hawksbill loses both food and shelter. Add plastic ingestion and oil contamination to the equation, and survival becomes a daily struggle. Once roaming across China and Russia, the Amur leopard is now confined to a small fragment of forest. Logging, wildfires caused by human activity, and expanding infrastructure have shattered its habitat. With only around 100 left in the wild, every forest cleared pushes this rare big cat closer to disappearing forever. In Indonesia, vast rainforests are burned and cleared for palm oil plantations. The Sumatran orangutan depends entirely on these forests. When trees fall, their homes vanish. When fires rage, entire family groups are lost. Deforestation fragments their populations, isolating them and reducing genetic diversity. Without urgent protection, their forests and their future could disappear within decades. So, in the bigger picture of things, our pollution and ecosystem destruction don't just affect individual species. They unravel entire food webs. When coral reefs die, fish populations collapse. When forests burn, rainfall patterns shift. When rivers are poisoned, communities, both animal and human, suffer. Extinction is not just the loss of a species, it's the loss of balance. Conservation programs, habitat restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and international protections are making a difference. Reducing plastic use, supporting sustainable products, protecting forests, enforcing fishing bans. The future of these animals depends on the choices we make today. Because once a species is gone, it doesn't come back. The question isn't whether these animals can survive. The question is, will we allow them to? Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.